What is up, guys? What is going on? Good morning and welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Corey and I am Platinum Built. Ho! Today do I have a surprise for you. I was able to find a guy to trade me his truck for my truck. Alright guys, this is her right here. I'm gonna park the truck. Park the truck, get out, take a walk around it, take it for a test drive, and see if we want to make this deal happen. Alright guys, we have the keys. We are in the Chevy. Now it is a gasser. I mean, obviously it's 1500. Little exhaust. See a bully dog right there that fell off the window? But it is filthy dirty. We're gonna head to the car wash, clean it up, and we'll check it out.
Hours later.
Alright, I'm just messing with you guys. I'm not trading my Platinum for this. This is my brother-in-law's truck. I got it today just to do this little video here. We did this probably to it at the shop, probably, I don't know, maybe a year ago. We did the lift kit, did wheels and tires. I want to do a little review on it for you guys on a Chevy 1500 with the lift kit, just to see, you know, what it's like to have one of those if you're trying to figure out if you want to do a lift kit or not. Maybe this video will help you answer that. So this is the truck, very simple. Lift, wheels, tires. He did the grill himself. There's a LED Chevy emblem in there that lights up all kind of different LED colors. He took off the front plastic chin spoiler thing that comes off of the bumper. Upgraded the tow mirrors because it had the regular little Chevy 1500 mirrors on it. Do have a little issue here with water or moisture inside of the headlight. There's probably a break in the seal somewhere where, you know, moisture is seeping in there. But yeah, you can fix that. But this is it. I am not trading my truck for this truck. This is my brother-in-law's, and we are just showing you guys what it's all about to have a lifted Chevy 1500. I'm going to do a driving review now. Alright, we're going to do a little test drive here with the truck. 2015 Chevy 1500 four-wheel drive, Z71. 7-inch McGaughys lift. We're rocking a 22 by 12 hostile sprocket. I don't know why that's stinging. I have my seatbelt on. Maybe it's my filmer, it doesn't have its seatbelt on. But back to the wheels. 22 by 12 hostile sprocket, -44 offset, all black. It's the asphalt wheel, so there's no milled edges or it's not gloss or anything. It's a matte black finish. 35 1250 22 Atturo Trail MT. This truck roughly has, since the lift, I want to say 10,000 miles. The tires are still doing excellent. We'll just do a little test drive, see how it feels. I mean, the truck, honestly, it feels excellent. It rides really smooth. The steering is really responsive. I mean, you couldn't really tell the truck has a lift kit on it, put it that way. Ride height, right now sitting in it, it's about as high as my Platinum, which, you know, 1500s, they start off really low. 2500s or 3500s, obviously heavier duty suspension, more clearance, more travel, so it you know, sits a lot higher than a 1500. So this one here with the lift is sitting about approximately as high as the Platinum. We got a UPS guy blocking the road. But yeah, it drives really nice, really smooth. It takes bumps, very nice. This is the lifted strut, so there is no strut spacer on top of the front strut in the front. You know, that's a nice feature. Always less parts, the better. Whenever you're dealing with spacers and stuff, you know, like a body lift, bunch of spacers, you know, that's junk. You don't want that. You know, a lot of lifts, they have a spacer that goes on top of the strut rather than having a longer strut itself. And, you know, personally, whenever you put spacers up there, that's just more chances of things coming loose, not sitting right, not feeling right. I always try to opt in my customers to a full lifted strut rather than doing a strut spacer whenever that's available. So this is the truck here. It has a Bully Dog GT. Gas motors with a Bully Dog. You're probably going to pick up, I don't know, a couple horsepower. I'm not really sure the exact specs. But throttle response is a little better fuel mileage. It might help with the 35-inch tires on the truck, having that tuner, but it doesn't make a huge difference. Now, if you're going to put a tuner on a diesel, yeah, you're going to see a huge difference. You're going to, you know, increase the horsepower and everything a ton. But these gas engines, they don't really benefit too much from having a tuner. I think it has a Borla catback exhaust, just a single muffler to a dual exit, chrome tips. Has a nice deep rumble. I mean, it's not annoying, it's not obnoxious, put it that way. So if you're looking for a nice, economical, straightforward, everyday driver, I'm not sure the model of this muffler, but it's really nice. Now the tires, I don't know if you can hear them on the camera. They are a little loud. I mean, any mud tire is going to have some noise. There's some out there that really don't, though. But you know, the ride is really smooth with the wheels and tires. They're balanced perfectly, and the tires make a little bit of noise, like up above 40 mile an hour, but it's not horrible. You can definitely live with it. A lot of cheap mud tires, they have a crazy loud sound, and it really gets to you. All right, so a Chevy 1500 with a McGaughys, you know, 7-inch lift. A review on the ride quality, I give it honestly a solid 9.5. I mean, it rides excellent. I mean, if you're gonna blindfold me and have me drive this truck completely bone stock, and then, you know, put the lift on and blindfold me again and have me drive it again, I mean, I don't know how you drive blindfolded, but ride quality, super nice. You can't tell the difference from stock. And that's with a 7-inch lift. That's pretty good in my book. Wheels and tires, super smooth. The only thing that you'd be able to tell is the tire noise, but any mud tire is going to have some kind of a noise. So that's it, guys. Ride quality review, 9.5. Alrighty, we have made it to my trusty, dusty vlog spot. I had to get the heck out of that car wash. There was going to be a fight trying to get into the bay where I was because everyone's trying to wash their vehicle today because Pennsylvania has the weirdest weather. It was 0 degrees yesterday, and today it's like 55. So everyone's out washing their car. But anyways, let's check out the truck here. This is the one I'm going to trade my Platinum for. 2015 Chevy 1500 4-wheel drive Z71 package. It has a 7-inch McGaughys lift with 22x12 hostile sprocket asphalt, so it's the all black matte finish. We have metal lugs, black spiked lug nuts. I did the absolute worst wash job possible that could be done, but it's a silver truck, so all you got to do is spray it off. 35x1250 R22 Atturo Trail blade MT. And I talk about this a little in our test drive here, but this is a full lifted strut option, so there's no spacer. It is a full McGaughys lifted strut, so there isn't, usually a spacer will go up here, but there's no spacer, it's a full lifted strut. There is the McGaughys kit down there. They make a very nice kit for Chevys. Differential drop with the spacers for the axles, all the necessary parts. So everything is right geometry, so nothing gets destroyed. We have some stabilizer bars coming off of the bottom cross member back to the back there to keep everything secure. Tires are solid. We have a NFAB side step Nerf bar. Rear tires, pretty clean. Everything looks really good. We got a Borla catback exhaust, dual exit. Alright guys, that's about it for today. I did the review on the Chevy 1500 with the 7-inch lift, wheels and tires. If you are interested in this exact wheel and tire combo, there will be a link in the description below. Just click that link, go on and buy this set of wheels and tires. I'm going to have a smoking price worked up for you guys. Hostile sprocket 22x12, negative 44 offset. Atturo Trail blade MT 35x1250 R22. That'll be the package. It'll be available in certain bolt patterns, but that hostile sprocket pretty much comes available for any truck. So click the link below if you're interested in that exact wheel and tire combo. That's about it for today. We did the test drive review. We walked around it. You see me do a horrible wash job on the truck. If you are into anything in the automotive industry, if you work harder than anyone you know, if you live life to the highest quality, then you are Platinum Bill. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and join the Platinum Bill family. I have a ton more stuff planned for you guys. Stay tuned. I will catch you on the next video. Peace!